Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Plouise budget box for February 2024. I'm really excited for this. I've already seen a little sneak peek and I'm really excited to show you what's in this box. Without further ado, I want to get started with this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. So like I said, this is a big box this month. Let me show you the size of this box. This is literally what came through the mail. Like, it is huge and there are so many different items in here. So I've been getting the Plouise budget boxes for nearly a year now, and usually you get like one big item and then a couple of others to go with it. However, for this month, you get 7 items in this box, which I'm kind of blown away with. I think that's kind of cool. So I want to show you everything that we've got. I'm going to start off with this one here. This is from Plouise Skin, which is basically Paige's kind of like sister brand. It's still Plouise, but it's like her skin line, and I love it. I've got a few items from there already, and everything I've tried so far, I am very impressed with. So this is the first item, and it's the Jelly Makeup Remover in the scent Pineapple. I absolutely love the packaging for this. It feels really classy, but also like really hydrating, refreshing. So let's open this up. I've never tried a jelly makeup remover before. I've tried all sorts of cleansing balms, facial washes, foaming washes, cleansing waters, but I've never tried a jelly one, so it sounds really interesting. Let's open this up. Let's see how much you get in here actually. So, as usual, cruelty free, all that. I don't think it actually says. Oh, it does on the top. 50 grams. That isn't bad at all. Okay, I really want to smell this. If I can get the lid off. Oh my days. That smells incredible. It literally smells like a pineapple ice lolly. It smells amazing. I love that. Let's have a look at this texture. Ooh. That is a really interesting texture. I wouldn't say it's like a jelly, but it's like a mixture between a cleansing balm and like some sort of jelly. Like, it's a weird texture. That is really interesting though. It smells really good. I just can't go over how good that smells. Let's move on to the next one. So next we've got 2 sets of lashes. These are the Connect and Perfect lashes. So let's go with this set first. So these are the Mega Mood lashes. These are giving volume, like next level volume. These look gorgeous. They look a really, really nice quality. And it says that they're reusable up to 20 times, which is really good. It says fur and fabulous, and it comes with lash glue, which is really good. Yeah, I like that. They look really nice. The other set we've got are the Marriage Material ones. These are probably a little bit more of me. These are more 3/4 lashes. They look more natural. They look really nice. They're still giving volume. They look absolutely gorgeous. Let me just show you a little bit more up close. They look gorgeous, but I love the fact that you've got 2 completely different sets of lashes in here. So if you're more new to lashes or new to makeup, you can experiment and see which ones you prefer. Or they literally have something for everyone there. So if you prefer more the really big, thick volume, like luscious lashes, you've got them there. Or if you want more of a natural everyday lash, you've got one there. So I love the fact that you've kind of got the option there with those. Next, we've got another Plouise Skin product. I saw this tease, I think it was on their Instagram. I thought this looked really nice. So this is the In Love With Me Peach Cleansing Water. I'll be honest, I really only use these kind of cleansers when I'm in the bath, but I would like to get into using them more often, you know, when I'm in my office and actually doing proper skincare routines. I just find them a little bit more messy sometimes. This is the Foaming Facial Cleanser. The thing that I love the most about it is the applicator. So it's actually a little heart, and it's got these little silicone little bristles here, so it helps to apply and to really get into your skin and really massage that product into your skin and give it a really, really good cleanse. So I think this for me is probably going to be an easy way of applying it and an easier way of using it. I do already have a foaming facial cleanser from Plouise and it is so nice. I want to see what this one's like though. So let's just... Ooh, that was quite violent. Ooh, what's that smell of? I think it smells a bit of watermelon, you know? Oh, that's really gentle. Yeah, that is really gentle. That's really nice. I like that. I do really like the Plouise Skin stuff, but but all honesty, I don't think I would ever buy it. Just because Plouise isn't like a skincare brand, so I don't think I'd ever go out and buy it. But when I try it, I'm like, you know what, that's really good. I'm like it with the Plouise lip oils and conditioners. I would have never ever gone out and bought them. But because I got them in the budget box, I've tried them and now I'm completely in love with them, and I think they're such good quality products. So one of the things I love most about these budget boxes is you get things that you would probably never buy, but you can then end up falling in love with. It can become such a staple in your routine. So while we're talking about the Plouise lip oils, we've got the Trio Set here. This is so nice. So it says it's giving princess on the front. I just love the amount of detail that goes into all of her packaging. Like, it's crazy the amount of work and effort that goes into everything. Like she says, she's really giving that PR experience to everyone. So you get 3 different lip oils in here. We actually got a kit like this in last month's budget box, but these are supposed to be different. So we've got this one, which is the first one here. I love the packaging again for these. This one is Tiara Topaz. I want to give it a smell. I think all 3 are the same fragrance as far as I'm aware. That smells just like the last product. It smells just like watermelon, and I love a watermelon, so you can't go wrong with that. It's really pretty. It's a bit like a peachy, kind of corally, glittery lip oil. Really pretty. Then we'll go for the next one. Ooh, this one's more of a clear one. Okay, this is a super sparkly but clear. Yeah, that's the same scent, which is really nice. I need them to do a box like this, but with a white chocolate scent, because that is incredible. One of my favourite lip products of all time. This one looks really similar to the last one. So the last one, I forgot to put a name. The last one was Crystal Queen. And then the final one is Spoilt Sparkle, which I like. Let's have a look at this one. Ooh, that's a little bit different. So that one's not as glittery. It's got a hint of colour, like a really, really slight hint of pink. Still sparkly, but I wouldn't say it's glittery like the last one. I love that. Do you know what? Should we use one today? Which one should we use? I think I might use the first one, because that was really different. The Tiara Topaz one. That one's really different. Okay. It's kind of like a nudie kind of pink. You can instantly see that glow and like gloss that it's kind of giving my lip there. I just love the feel of them, and I love how easily they just like glide onto the lip as well. Really love those. I feel like I'm getting such a big collection of her lip oils now, but I still would happily get more. They're really, really nice products. Then we've got, we've got another Plouise skin product, so I'm going to talk about this one next. So this one is a watermelon scented, so you can kind of see a theme going on here. This, I am so excited to try. Like, I'm so excited to try. I don't think I've got one of these yet by Plouise. Definitely got one of her serums, but this is their moisturizer. Don't think I've got one from her. So this, let's get into it. I'm so excited for this. I've got big expectations for this. I'm expecting this to be thick. I'm expecting this to be nourishing, like next level moisturization. I'm expecting this to be really good. So, I can't even get into the packaging. Why? Why is this always happening? Okay, there we go. So this is actually a plumping moisturizer, which the only kind of like thing that I've heard like that before is the NYX plumping serum. But we'll see what it's all about. So I'm gonna get into it. It's very, very classic Plouise packaging, very pretty pink. And this says, plump me pretty. Confidence in your skin, it means confidence within, which is one of her little quotes. And let's get into this product. This packaging is like a mixture between the jelly cleanser and her Make It Melt product. It just looks like a mixture of those two with packaging. I love this gold rim though. It feels very, very posh and very nice and expensive. Just feels like a really nice quality product. So it looks like on the top, really pretty. Let's open it up. Okay. I love, do you know what I prefer so much when she does this? So the jelly one has got this tiny little bit that you can like pull it over, this little tab. But this one is so big, like it's so much easier to open. Oh my god, wow. That is full. She's really giving products there. That does smell nice. I think it's more of a subtle fragrance. Okay. It doesn't feel as thick as I was expecting it to there. Oh no, that is nice. That's a lot thinner than I was expecting it to be. But that is definitely very moisturising. It feels very hydrating and quite nourishing. You can see that on my skin already. Like, that is so nice. Yeah, that does smell really nice on the skin as well. I don't think it smells of... Oh, do you know what I'm thinking? I think we've mixed the pineapple with the watermelon now. It's like, it doesn't smell as watermelon on my hand. Because we've mixed the 2 scents, that's why. But you get so much product in there. Like, a little bit of this goes such a long way. Like, tiny bit there. Use it on that part of my hand like that. Goes a long way. So you don't need to use a lot of product at all. So that will last me a long time. It smells so nice. So yeah, I'm really impressed. It was definitely worth the wait for a Plouise moisturizer. I feel like I'm going to end up having like a full skincare routine from her stuff, just from the budget boxes. I'm not complaining because so far I'm very impressed. So the final product for this budget box is the Make It Melt Makeup Remover. So this is her cleansing balm. I have wanted to try this since it was released. Firstly, I really like the packaging. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of one of the mushrooms from Mario Brothers. It just gives me that vibe. So this is what it looks like. I've got the orange one. Really excited like for this. I think this is going to be... It's either going to be incredible or it's going to be a miss. And I'm really looking forward to trying it. If I can get into it. I need some scissors in here. So this is what it looks like. And I think it looks so nice. I'm like so obsessed with this packaging. And let's have a little smell. Ooh, that's what it looks like on the inside. So it does look like a proper cleansing balm. That does smell really nice. It kind of smells a bit like the orange in a chocolate orange, if that makes sense. But it smells really nice. Should we give it a little go? I hate using cleansing balms for the first time. It makes me so sad. But let's give it a go. Should we get some eyeshadow on the back of my hand? Okay, that's what that's looking like. Let's let it set for a second. Got such a purple pan from like rubbing the excess off. Okay, I'm just going to go in. I'm literally going to use... Ooh, wow. I literally touched that. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally touching it. It just turned straight into a liquid on my finger. It literally turned straight into a liquid. That's cool. Okay. Let's just take some of that off with my finger. And then start to use some on this product. That is good. That may be one of the best cleansing balms I've ever tried. That is amazing. Let's see if it leaves any behind. I'm still going to use a tiny bit of water just because you're supposed to help emulsify the product. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of water on my cotton pad. That is just amazing. I don't know why, but my videos keep going out of focus. I do apologise for that, but that is absolutely amazing. I cannot believe how well that's taken that product off. That is so good. And I literally use a tiniest amount of product. Like, you can't even tell I've taken it out of there. I literally just rub my finger on the top. That is so good. Okay, that may be my new favourite cleansing balm. That was absolutely incredible. It says the makeup melter, and it really was a makeup melter. That is so good. I'm trying to tell my favourite product. I feel like it's got to be that cleansing balm has to be my favourite thing from the video because that was incredible. I think I prefer the smell of the pineapple one to the orange, but for actual product and formula, that's amazing. I love the fact that we've got like such different colourful pieces still. Like, we've got a corally one, we've got a bright yellow, we've got some pink, which is like the, you know, Plouise fashion. So that is it. That is my full unboxing for the February 2024 budget box for Plouise. I know it's March, but she always releases the February one, like right at the end of February, so then it comes in March. But that is it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because it really helps me out. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!